We've just rolled out a major upgrade to LearnDash course import, and this demo video walks you through what's new and how to use this game-changer feature in the new update. If you build courses in LearnDash, you already know how slow it can be to add every lesson and topic manually. To solve this problem and enhance productivity of the course creator, we had created LearnDash Course Importer that lets you import courses through CSV or Excel file. You will be happy to note that with this update, your life of creating course will be easier. Now, you get two clear paths for quick import. Upload a file or paste a Google Sheet link, and your import runs without kicking you off the page. Yes, you heard correctly. Now you can import courses from Google Sheet just by pasting the Google Sheet link. In the next few minutes, we'll go step by step. Where to click, how to prep your sheet, and how to run a file import or a Google Sheet import from start to finish. Let's get started. Download the demo CSV or demo Excel file from the import screen. That file is your template. Your columns and headers should match it in the same order. Remember, course titles, lesson titles, and topic titles are case-sensitive. If the title in your sheet matches an item that already exists, the plugin updates that item. If it is new, it creates it. Log into WordPress as an administrator. In the left menu, open LearnDash, click Import Courses. You will see a short list of import rules at the top. Read them once. They save confusion later. Below that are two tabs, File Upload and Google Sheet. Pick the tab that matches how you are working today. Copy your template into Google Sheets. Fill in your courses, lessons, and topics. Click Share in Google. Set general access to anyone with the link. Set the role to Viewer. This lets your website download the data as a normal spreadsheet export. You are not giving the public edit access to your master copy if you manage sharing carefully. Open the tab you want to import. Copy the URL from your browser address bar. It should include the words Spreadsheets and a long document ID. Paste that URL into the box on the import screen. Click Import from this sheet. Again, watch the progress bar and the log below it. This is an easy way to move from a curriculum spreadsheet straight into your LMS. Thanks for watching. If this helped, save the video for your next course build.